Over the last month, President Biden has signed multiple executive orders on a range of issues. I'm with Courtney from the Fact Check team. And Courtney, we hear about executive orders in the headlines, all the time. Can you break down what they are?
Sure, Dee Dee. So an executive order is an official directive issued by the president as the head of the executive branch that shapes policy, essentially instructing federal officials or agencies to act or not act. The Constitution doesn't specifically mention it, but it's an implied and accepted presidential authority based on Article 2, which gives the president executive powers.
And does it act the same as a law?
It does, but only if it abides by the Constitution or existing law, meaning it can only be used to execute a power that already exists and can't be used to give the president new powers. And Congress can revoke an executive order by passing new legislation, or courts can nullify it if they determine it's unconstitutional.
All right, and give us some more insight into this process. How does a president issue one?
So there are a few steps the president has to take that were established in an executive order issued by President JFK in 1962. First, a draft goes to the Office of Management and Budget. If and when it's approved, it goes to the Attorney General, then to the Federal Register, and then back to the president to sign.
All right, lawmakers have called on President Biden to issue an executive order, of course, to close the border. Courtney, thank you. Connor will join us in just a bit with a look into whether or not he can.